Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Please click like, share and subscribe and get your information. GR Supra offers a driver-focused interior, but one that is infinitely more refined and upmarket. The space is tight and taller passengers might struggle to get in and out. The overall design is sleek and minimalist, which is perfect for such a driver's car. There's very little to distract you from racing around your local track. The Supra is a two-seater with reach-through access to the trunk. Taller people may feel that things are a little tight, but the bubbled roof gives 38.3 inches of headroom and the seat slides back far enough to accommodate long legs. Forward visibility is excellent, and with its curved front screen, it feels like you're sitting in the cockpit of a fighter plane or a sci-fi spaceship. Those who have racetrack experience and have been taught to look through a corner to where they're going will appreciate the design. There's ample adjustment for the seats, although the base model requires you to manually set the seat for optimal driving. Upper trims get 14-way power adjustments with 4-way lumbar and 2-way bolster adjustments. When it comes to the GR Supra seats and interior upholstery, there isn't a great deal of choice in terms of color schemes. Both the 2.0 and 3.0 Supra models have black Alcantara, leather-trimmed sport seats as standard, with the 3.0 Premium upgrading to full leather in black or red. The A91CF comes with a combination black, red Alcantara and leather-trimmed sport seats with red stitching. The steering wheel is black leather on base models, with the upper trims getting red stitching. Carbon fiber interior accents are standard across the range. On the 3.0 Premium and A91 edition, the standard pedals are replaced with sport items. The 2024 Toyota Supra isn't as cargo-crippled as you might think. Pop the hatchback-style liftgate and you're presented with 10.2 cubic feet of space, which, in this class, is impressive. Inside the car, there are small storage areas in the center console, an armrest storage bin, cup holders and a glove box. The base model makes the Supra more attainable by downsizing the engine and features list, but you still get a pretty good deal, with features such as dual-zone automatic climate control, a fully digital TFT LCD gauge cluster, an 8-way manually adjustable driver's seat, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror with universal garage door opener. Adding to everyday convenience is a smart key with smart entry and start. The safety suite comprises cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection and a rearview camera. The 3.0 model adds a 14-way power-adjustable driver's seat with driver's seat memory plus lumbar and bolster adjustment. The 3.0 Premium model gets luxury features such as a full-color head-up display, heated seats and wireless phone charging. Blind spot monitoring and parking sensors can be added optionally by means of the safety and technology package. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Please click like, share and subscribe and get your information. GR Supra offers a driver-focused interior, but one that is infinitely more refined and upmarket. The space is tight and taller passengers might struggle to get in and out.